Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Premiere Pro. Canva is a fantastic web-based design tool, perfect for quick content creation, while Premiere Pro is a robust, desktop-based video editing software for advanced projects. We'll explore their core functionalities, ease of use, and ideal users. Understanding these differences will help you decide which platform best suits your creative workflow and project demands, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Canva shines with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and thousands of ready-to-use templates, making design accessible to everyone. It's excellent for crafting social media graphics, simple videos, and presentations in minutes. Conversely, Premiere Pro offers unparalleled precision for video editing, allowing for intricate multi-camera sequences, advanced color grading, and complex visual effects. It's the industry standard for cinematic productions and detailed post-production work. Canva is ideal for beginners, small business owners, and marketers who need to produce professional-looking content quickly and efficiently. It offers a generous free tier and affordable premium subscriptions, typically around $12 per month for the Pro version. Premiere Pro, however, targets professional video editors, filmmakers, and serious content creators. It's part of the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, costing approximately $23 per month for a single app subscription. Ultimately, your choice between Canva and Premiere Pro hinges on your specific needs. Choose Canva for its speed, simplicity, and versatility in creating various design assets and basic videos. Opt for Premiere Pro if you require professional-grade video editing, intricate effects, and a robust workflow for high-quality productions. Consider your skill level, project complexity, and budget to make the best decision for your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.